Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix slow keyboard on iPhone. If you're experiencing a slow keyboard on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. Here are several solutions to fix it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Press and hold the power button, then slide the power off. Turn it back on after a few seconds. Another method, update iOS. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as updates include bug fixes and performance improvements. Go to the Settings, General, Software Update to check for updates. Another method, disable keyboards you don't use. Having too many third-party keyboards can slow your keyboard. Go back to General, Keyboard, Keyboards. Remove any unused keyboards by tapping Edit and selecting the red minus sign. Turn off keyboard clicks and haptic feedback. Turning off keyboard sound and haptics can help improve performance. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Keyboard Feedback, then toggle off Sound and Haptic. Disable Reduce Motion. Animations and effects can sometimes cause lag. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion to minimize animations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.